The Cold War was a time of great tension. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a struggle for global dominance. Both sides poured resources into military technology. They wanted to have the upper hand. Air superiority was a key element of this competition. Each side sought to develop fighter jets that were faster, more maneuverable, and more heavily armed than the others. This constant one-upmanship led to incredible advancements in aviation technology. The U.S. focus on fighter jets was two-pronged. First, they needed jets that could quickly and decisively win air battles. Second, they wanted jets that could strike enemy targets on the ground. These strike aircraft needed to be tough. They needed to be able to fly into dangerous airspace. The McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing F-15 Eagle, first flew in 1972. It quickly proved itself as a premier air superiority fighter. It had an exceptional combat record. However, the U.S. Air Force also needed a potent strike aircraft. They saw the F-15's potential in this role. The F-15E Strike Eagle was born. This two-seat variant of the F-15 was designed for long-range interdiction missions. This meant it could strike deep into enemy territory. The Strike Eagle retained the air-to-air prowess of its predecessor. It also added a sophisticated suite of air-to-ground capabilities. The F-15E made its first flight in 1986. It entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 1988. It quickly became a symbol of American air power. The Strike Eagle has a remarkable range. It can carry a large and diverse payload. This makes it a versatile and valuable asset. The Soviet Union closely watched the development of the F-15 Eagle, an advanced fighter jet that was setting new standards in aerial combat. Recognizing the need for a comparable aircraft to maintain their own air superiority, Soviet engineers began working on a new project. Their answer was the Sukhoi Su-27 flanker, a formidable aircraft designed to challenge the F-15. This highly maneuverable air superiority fighter was capable of performing complex aerial maneuvers, making it a significant threat in dogfights. The Su-27 was meticulously designed to counter the advanced capabilities of the F-15, ensuring the Soviet Union could hold its own in the skies. It first took to the skies in 1977, and officially entered service in 1985, marking a new era in Soviet aviation. However, the Soviets soon realized that they also needed a dedicated strike aircraft to complement their air superiority fighters. They aimed to develop an aircraft that could match the multi-role capabilities of the American F-15E Strike Eagle. This ambition led to the creation of the Sukhoi Su-34, which NATO would later nickname Fullback. The Su-34 was a derivative of the Su-27, incorporating many of its predecessors' advanced features. One of its most distinctive features was the side-by-side seating arrangement for its two-person crew, enhancing coordination during missions. This unique design was a major departure from traditional fighter jets, which typically featured tandem seating. The Su-34 first flew in 1990, showcasing its advanced capabilities and innovative design. However, its development faced significant delays due to the collapse of the Soviet Union, which disrupted many military projects. Despite these challenges, the Su-34 officially entered service with the Russian Air Force in 2014, marking the culmination of decades of development. Section 4, Head-to-Head F-15E versus Su-34. The F-15E Strike Eagle and the Su-34 Fullback represent different approaches to strike aircraft design. Both aircraft are marvels of modern engineering, each with its own unique strengths and capabilities that make them formidable in their respective roles. The F-15E is a highly evolved version of an already successful air superiority fighter. It has been adapted to perform a variety of missions, from air-to-air combat to ground attack, making it a versatile and reliable asset for any air force. The Su-34, on the other hand, is a more specialized platform. It was designed with a focus on long-range strike missions, providing the Russian Air Force with a dedicated aircraft for deep penetration and precision strikes. It is designed from the ground up for long-range strike missions. This specialization allows the Su-34 to excel in its role, offering capabilities that are tailored to its mission profile. Both aircraft boast impressive performance specifications. They are equipped with advanced avionics, powerful engines, and state-of-the-art weaponry, making them highly effective in combat situations. The F-15E has a top speed of Mach 2.5, about 1,875 miles per hour. This high speed allows it to quickly reach and engage targets, providing a significant tactical advantage. It can carry over 23,000 pounds of ordnance. This includes a wide variety of bombs, missiles, and rockets, giving it the flexibility to engage a wide range of targets. The F-15E's payload capacity and versatility make it a formidable opponent in any combat scenario. The Su-34 is no slouch either. It has been designed to carry a significant payload and deliver it with precision over long distances. It has a top speed of Mach 1.8, about 1,367 miles per hour. While not as fast as the F-15E, its speed is still impressive for a strike aircraft. It can carry over 17,000 pounds of ordnance. This allows it to deliver a powerful punch to its targets, making it a key asset in any long-range strike mission. The Su-34 is also known for its long range. Its ability to conduct extended missions without the need for frequent refueling is a significant advantage. This is thanks to its ability to refuel in mid-air. This capability extends its operational range, allowing it to strike targets that are far from its home base. Section 5. Growing pains overcoming design challenges. The development of both the F-15E and the Su-34 was not without its challenges. Each aircraft faced a unique set of obstacles that had to be overcome through innovation and perseverance. The F-15E program faced initial skepticism from some within the U.S. Air Force. Many questioned whether the existing F-15 air superiority fighter needed a strike variant at all. They questioned the need for a strike variant of the F-15. Concerns were raised about the cost, complexity, and potential redundancy of the new model. The Su-34 program faced even greater hurdles. The political and economic turmoil of the late 20th century added layers of difficulty to its development. The collapse of the Soviet Union severely impacted its funding and development. Factories were disrupted, and resources became scarce, leading to significant delays. Engineers had to work under challenging conditions to keep the project moving forward. The Su-34 also experienced technical issues early in its development. These technical challenges required innovative solutions and extensive testing. These had to be resolved before it could enter full-scale production. Engineers and factory workers collaborated closely to address these issues. Despite these challenges, both aircraft eventually proved their worth. Through determination and ingenuity, the teams behind these aircraft overcame the obstacles they faced. They became valuable assets for their respective air forces. The F-15E and Su-34 have both demonstrated their capabilities in various missions and combat scenarios. The F-15E has seen extensive combat service in multiple conflicts. Its versatility and effectiveness have been proven time and again. These include the Gulf War, the Iraq War, and the war in Afghanistan. Each conflict has highlighted the F-15E's adaptability and combat prowess. The Su-34 has also seen action in recent years. It has been deployed in various operations, showcasing its advanced capabilities. It has been used in the Syrian civil war. The Su-34's performance in these operations has solidified its role as a key asset in modern aerial warfare. Section 6. Still soaring. Modern roles and upgrades. Both the F-15E and the Su-34 have undergone numerous upgrades throughout their service lives. These upgrades have enhanced their capabilities. They've also kept them relevant in the face of evolving threats. The F-15E has received upgrades to its radar, electronic warfare systems, and engines. It can now carry even more advanced weaponry. The Su-34 has also been steadily modernized. It has received new avionics, electronic countermeasures, and precision-guided weapons. These upgrades have significantly improved its combat effectiveness. The F-15E remains a crucial part of the U.S. Air Force's air-to-ground strike capability. It is expected to remain in service for many years to come. The Su-34 is also expected to serve as a key component of the Russian aerospace forces for the foreseeable future. Section 7. Shaping modern warfare. The F-15E Strike Eagle and the Su-34 Fullback are examples of the constant technological innovation driven by the Cold War. While the Cold War is over, these aircraft continue to shape modern warfare. They demonstrate the importance of air power in modern conflicts. The F-15E's success in combat has cemented its legacy as one of the most capable strike aircraft ever built. The Su-34, while entering service much later, has proven to be a potent and versatile platform in its own right. These aircraft, born out of rivalry, highlight the enduring pursuit of military advantage. They also underscore the crucial role of air power in the 21st century.